Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have recorded this intro I think like 4 times. My baby is trying to skip her nap and she's feeling pretty fussy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair. And I wash my hair like once or twice a week depending on if I work out or if it's humid outside because I have really wavy hair and it can get really gross. So when I do style my hair, I use the REVLON round brush, which is like that brush that went viral on TikTok, and I love it. It's awesome. It's super fast and easy. It's like that thicker round brush. You can get it at Ulta or Target, and I think those are like $50 or $60. So I was at Target and I found this, and it is magical. So this is what I've been using every time I style my hair. It is also by Revlon. It's a silicone 1-inch round brush. It has these little buttons right here. So all you do is plug it in and then turn it all the way up. And it took me like a little handling to figure out how to do it, but I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, my mom brain is like serious right now. I totally forgot what I was about to say. I'm gonna part my hair. So I know some people do layers like up and down, but whenever I'm in a rush, which is pretty much all the time every day, I just like to take like basically a pigtail, twist it around like this into a little space bun, take a banana clip, hold it like that, boom. It's kind of hard to see on dark hair, but I'm going to start with this piece back here. Brush it out. Take this, wrap it around a little bit, and I go upwards with it, but you can alternate which way you curl. So it's like that, and it's really grippy. It's not super comfortable. It feels kind of awkward, and I don't know if the Dyson would be any better, but I'm not gonna pay like $1 million to find out. So then you pull and you get this little wave at the end. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and show you guys what it looks like when I'm finished. So for the front pieces of my hair, my bangs, I don't always do this, but when I have the time, I try to. So I'll take this teasing comb. It's from, that doesn't sound right. It's from Spornet. I've had this since high school, really. So I'll get under here and tease the root, and then I like to do these pieces forward. There we go. Sometimes it takes a minute to get a little grip. This is how it ends up looking. I always have like a difficult time choosing if I want to part it down the middle or to the side. But before I decide, I'm going to spray some of this Fat Boy Tousle and Go texture spray. I heard about this from Jessie James Decker. She posted about it, and she always has really big sexy hair, so I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. But I really like the way it smells. It smells kind of like androgynous. I feel like Chance could use it in his hair and nobody would think anything of it. All right, easy enough. So, voila. This is how it turns out, and I keep my hair like this for a couple of days. and it just makes my life really easy. I will say, if you have layers in your hair, I would imagine it works a lot better, but overall, pretty easy product. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked it, you can like and subscribe down below. Thanks, y'all.